Well, hello there. Good morning. Good morning from the Appalachian Trail. We are up and hiking, for us, very early, before the crack of dawn, before 7:30 a.m., which is like extremely early for us. And my knee is howling in pain. It's like patellar pain, and they call it hiker's knee, and oh my god, it is so beyond painful. I tried taping it this morning, but the tape didn't hold for more than like 5 minutes, and yeah, it is just, I took some Advil, and when it gets warmed up and loosened up, it'll be some better, but we'll see how much better. We are trying to crush an 18-mile hike today, hence our early morning start. And also, forecast calls for it to be in the 90s today. And here at 7:30 a.m., it's already like very humid and very warm. We had a giant thunderstorm last night with such a clap of thunder that the entire tent shook. It was really fun. I don't know if the kids woke up for that.
I heard thunder.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Wasn't that super cool?
Yeah.
I wish I'd been filming it because it was such a mighty clap of thunder. It was very, very neat. So, anyway, let's see how we do. I think the limiting factor for this day is going to be my knee, and I am having some issues with plantar fasciitis as well. So, those will be our limiting factors. We'll see how we do. We're about 15 minutes into our hike here, and my knee is screaming in pain. I already took an Advil. I already took Advil this morning and gabapentin, but I just took a hydrocodone, and then I don't have a knee brace or anything, so I tied it. With my hanky. And hopefully that will help a little bit. The pain is just unbearable. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes.
We just saw a huge black rattlesnake.
Was it scary?
Yes, very much.
But you know what? You saved that dog. A dog came by just like right after you saw it. So we kept the dog safe. I'm proud of you.
Hi.
What are we doing?
Eating.
We stopped for a snack.
Mm-hmm.
What's your snack, Janelle?
Big Reese's Pieces. Yep.
What's your snack, Gil? And we're gonna get some water from this spring right here. And then we're gonna keep going. I think we've gone about 7 miles. We took about a 45-minute break at the spring there. A little bit longer than we'd planned, but time got away from us. I actually took a little nap for about 15 minutes. So that was our first 6 miles or so. We're gonna try to crush another 5 here and then take another break. We've got to climb up a big ol' mountain now. My knee is warmed up, loosened up. Combination of some hydrocodone, just warming it up with use and tying it up pretty tightly. And that seems to be doing the trick for now. We'll see how we feel a bit later today. Definitely weary travelers. We've just done 11 miles. We have 7 to go. After several hours of my knee feeling good from the hydrocodone, it is screaming again. Gilbert is complaining that his feet hurt. Janelle, what's your complaint? Just general weariness from a long day. I see a flashlight. There. What? Everywhere. No. Those are lightning bugs. This is the first time Janelle has ever seen lightning bugs in real life. And I probably haven't seen any in decades. Yeah, decades. Amazing.
I think those are the mouse noises.
We're at Roshkep Shelter. We did an 18-mile day. Oh, it got so rough towards the end. It felt like it would never end. The kids were so exhausted. Gilbert was so exhausted and so unhappy. And it rained on us for like the last 2 hours. It's cold. The shelter has mice. Everything's damp. We're absolutely so tired. We're trashed. We made some dinner. We ate, and we're just kind of looking out, enjoying the fireflies, and hoping that mice don't eat our food bags or
whatever,
anything tonight. But we're so tired we can't even think about it. So no cell service here, so we'll upload this when we can. Bye.